Down, Kato, get down. Get the hell down. Kato, get down from my bed. Please, Kato, please get down. Get down, Kato, get down, get down, get down. Get down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come, Kato, come. Come on, Kato. You Kato, come down from the bed, Kato. Kato, get down. Get down. Come. She does not want to leave the bed. She wants to fight with me. Kato, do you want to fight with me? Do you have guts to fight with me? You little Kato, come here, come and fight. Fight with me, Kato. Kato, come down. Yeah. Kato, get down. Get down, Kato, get down. Kato, get down. Get down, your little. Look at that. She's holding the. Look at that. Come down, Kato, come down. Get down. Get down, Kato. Get down. Kato. You little Kato, get down. I am saying you to get down. Get down, Kato, get down. Come. Come here. Come here, Kato, come here. Come here, Kato. Get down. Get the bloody hell down. Get down. Look at that, Kato. Kato, come down. I am whispering, come down, Kato. Come down. She's not listening to me. What's in her mind that she is not listening to me, this Kato? She doesn't have any way. I don't know what she's looking for. Do you have any idea what she's looking for? Please tell me so I provide. Yes. He jumped down. Finally he jumped down. Look at that. Now he's sitting there. That's the home of my little Kato. Now, Kato, come to your home. Come, Kato, come. Come to your home, Kato. Kato, come. Come, Kato. Come, sleep. Oh, she doesn't want to sleep. Come. Sleep, Kato. Sleep to your home, Kato. Come, sleep. Oh, she doesn't want to sleep there. What she wants? I don't know what she wants. Anybody know? Please comment and tell me what actually she wants. Kato, come, please. Please, Kato. Get it to your home. That's your home. Kato, shabash, good, well done, excellent, Kato. Do you want to fight with me, Kato? Do you want to fight with me? Sleep into your home. Sleep. No, Kato, no, don't go anywhere. Sleep, Kato. Sleep, Kato, sleep. Kato, sleep. Oh, she wants to fight with me. Kato, sleep. Get into your house. Go. Kato, go into your house. Little Kato. What are you doing, Kato? Oh, she runs into the another room. Please tell me, guys, what should I do? She's not wanted to sleep there. I don't know what she wants. Please tell me, please.